I have been a nurse for 50 years, and for many years, I struggled with severe constipation, severe skin issues. I would only go to the bathroom every 2 to 3 days, and it really affected how I felt on a daily basis. It was frustrating, uncomfortable, and honestly exhausting dealing with it for so long. But today things are completely different. I now go to the bathroom twice a day consistently and naturally. On top of that, my blood pressure and blood sugar are balanced, and the fungus in my intestine are finally gone. All of this changed thanks to Parsi Herbs, their treatments, and their supplements. I finally found a holistic approach that truly works. I'm now a full believer that this kind of health issues can be addressed naturally. These are the supplements that I've been taking. And Arthritis Defense has been amazing for managing my pain. I've completely stopped using Tylenol and Advil. And Slim Plus Cholesterol has helped regulate my cholesterol and blood pressure as well. This supplement helps me with my digestion. It's really amazing product. And the blood sugar, I used to have above normal A1C. Now my A1C level is very normal, and I'm happy for that. And this is my supplement hormone, and I'm happy. I feel healthier, more energized, and more in control of my body that I have in years. Thank you, Dr. Javaki. Parsi Herbs, maraming salamat.